Right. So welcome back to the session. It's a very important topic for 11th class physics CBSE board exam. The topic is Bernoulli's equation. Okay. So it states that the sum of pressure energy, kinetic energy and potential energy per unit mass is always constant for an ideal fluid. Okay. So this is the statement. Now coming to the diagram. So look at here. We have a non-uniform cross-sectional tube. Okay. So here the area of cross section is A1 and here area of cross section is A2. Okay. So there is a fluid which is flowing through the pipe, which is passing through the pipe. Okay. So P1, A1, V1 and H1 be the pressure, velocity, area of cross section and height from the ground at point A. Similarly, P2, A2, V2 and H2 be the pressure, area of cross section, velocity as well as height at point B. Okay. Now whenever a fluid is entering into the pipe, there must be a force is acting in this area of cross section, right? So force acting at point A is F is equal to pressure into area. So F1 means pressure into area 1. So P1 A1, right? So due to the force, the water displaces at some distance, right? So distance traveled by a fluid in 1 second. So distance means speed into time. So S is equal to V1 into time is T. How much time? 1 second. So in the place of T, you can substitute 1. You will get S is equal to V1 into 1. That is nothing but V1. So please remember here V1 is distance. Okay. Now, so force already we know and distance also we know. So the product of force and displacement is called work done. So work done at point A is, at point A means here, is W1 is equal to force into displacement. So force formula already we know P1 A1 and displacement formula is V1. So A1 means area of cross section, V1 means distance. So area into distance is nothing but volume. So please remember area into distance is nothing but volume. So work done at the point A is W1 is equal to P1 into volume. Similarly, whatever the fluid entering into the pipe, same fluid comes out at point B, right? So easily we can calculate work done at point B is same P2 into volume. Okay. So we know work done at point A, work done at point B. Based on that, net work done means final work done minus initial work done or W1 minus W2. So that is equal to W1 value is P1 into V minus W2 value also P2 into V. Okay. So we know that density formula, density rho is equal to mass by volume. From this volume is equal to mass by rho, right? So in the place of volume, I am going to substitute this formula. Let us see. The net work done is equal to P1 into M by rho minus P2 into M by rho. So this is the net work done at point A and point B. Okay. But we know that according to work done, work is nothing but in the form of kinetic energy, right? But here, due to height, potential energy is also present. So therefore, I am going to calculate change in kinetic energy at point A and point B. So directly we can write it as change in kinetic energy is equal to, at this point, half mv1 square plus or half mv2 square, right? So here change in kinetic energy means maximum kinetic energy minus minimum kinetic energy. So we can write it as half mv2 square minus half mv1 square. Similarly, change in potential energy. Change in potential energy is equal to maximum height here. So mgh2 minus mgh1. Okay. So already we know work done and we know change in energies. So according to work energy theorem, work done by a pressure is equal to change in kinetic energy plus change in potential energy. So work done by a pressure is equal to change in Ke, delta Ke plus delta Pe. So what is the work done? P1 m by rho minus P2 m by rho is equal to change in kinetic energy is half mv2 square minus half mv1 square, plus will be there, plus change in potential energy means mgh2 minus mgh1. So after getting this equation, take one terms one side and two terms other side. So here P1 m by rho will be there, as it is you just take P1 m by rho and bring this half mv1 square left side, that becomes positive half mv1 square plus again first term, this is minus, if you bring into the left side means mgh1 is equal to right side means bring this term right side. So P2 m by rho plus half mv2 square plus mgh1. Okay, so after getting this step, actually left side masses, right side masses cut, so directly you can take, nothing will happen. The remaining equation is P1 by rho plus half v1 square plus gh1 is equal to P2 by rho plus half v2 square plus gh2. Okay, so from this equation easily we can understand, take any one term, P by rho plus half v square plus gh is equal to constant, right? Or this term we can write it as P plus half rho v square plus rho gh divided by rho is equal to constant, or bring this constant right side, what will happen? P plus half rho v square plus rho gh is equal to constant into rho. So anything into constant means constant will come. So P plus half rho v square plus rho gh is equal to constant. Okay, so I hope you understand. But suppose if the tube is uniform horizontal tube, in that case h is equal to 0 for uniform tube. Height will be same, right? So in that case, if you substitute h is equal to 0 here, this term will be 0. The remaining equation means P plus half rho v square is equal to constant. Okay, so this is the Bernoulli's final equation. Okay, so I hope you understand. Thank you so much.